Want to wake up to your bank account growing while you sleep? Imagine never worrying about cash again.
Here we go. Money talk.
Because what if the real night shift was AI working 24/7 instead of you? Here's a true story. Just 2 years ago, a college dropout in New York was drowning in debt, with no savings, no job. But today, he makes $35,000 a month, without lifting a finger.
Here comes the money.
Here we go.
All thanks to artificial intelligence. And the good news? The same technology is now available for you. No coding, no tech skills, no hassle. Just the right tools and mindset. Point 1 AI-powered drop shipping. Start an e-commerce store without managing any inventory. AI tools automate product listings, handle orders, and even market your store 24/7. Every sale made while you sleep? Pure profit. Ever wanted to own a store but too lazy to fold clothes? AI's got you covered. But that's only the beginning. What if AI could predict your next winning product? Point 2 automated stock trading bots. AI trading bots scan markets non-stop, spotting patterns humans miss. They buy low, sell high, and maximize profits, whether you're busy or on vacation. Imagine your bot making trades even at 3 a.m. Your money grows without you even being awake. Point 3 AI content creation for passive income. Create and sell ebooks, blogs, or even courses without writing a single word. AI tools like ChatGPT generate high-quality content in minutes. But what if you could monetize other people's content too? Point 4 AI for affiliate marketing. AI can automate your entire affiliate business, emails, campaigns, and SEO optimization. So commissions roll in without you lifting a finger. Getting paid for clicks and sign-ups. Now, what if AI could teach itself to market better over time? Point 5 AI YouTube automation. Faceless YouTube channels powered by AI are a goldmine. Tools handle video scripts, voiceovers, and editing, so your content goes viral even while you sleep. Just one viral video can change your life overnight. Point 6 AI chatbots for customer service. Offer AI-based customer support for companies and charge them monthly. AI chatbots can handle thousands of inquiries without a break, making it a perfect recurring income stream. And with AI evolving faster than ever, those who act now will secure the biggest slice of the pie. AI isn't the future, it's already here, changing how people make money. And if you don't jump in now, someone else will grab your opportunity. Hit that subscribe button and share this video with 5 friends on WhatsApp. See you in the next video, where your AI journey takes off.